It's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of DigiiBiz. This is a software that lets you find WordPress plugins that you can then sell as your own or part of a package. You can also give these away to be able to get leads by building an opt-in page. Now, not only can you do that, but you can also generate PDF reports, create books, and things like that too that you can sell as your own product on affiliate networks. Now, what I'd suggest doing with this is probably taking one of these WordPress plugins, generating your own book or e-guide, anything like that, or integrating training where the plugin adds value to it and then selling it as a product, allowing you to become a product vendor, say on JVZoo, for example. Now, how you use this is very, very simple. So I'm going to jump in here. This is the dashboard. So you can see you've got all the tutorials, you've got support all in one place, all your bonuses, and the live webinar training that is included with us is included up top there as well. But what we can do is let's just jump in and create a new campaign just to show you how this all works. So this is the dashboard, it's just loading up here. So there it is, add a new campaign name, I'm just going to call this the Sam Demo. The slug, which will be all of these pages that you create are fully hosted as well. So I'm going to just call this the Sam Demo page. Okay, now I can create either a WordPress plugin type product or a PDF format product. So what I can do is if I go WordPress plugin, all I do is I go down here, search for a plugin, and I just write in, let's just say a pop-up plugin. They're quite popular. If we click on the search button, this gives us a few pop-up plugins that we can then use within our product. So I can go through, I can get all the full details by clicking on it, or I can just select it. So if I go pop-up builder, I'll just select this one just for this demo, and I click next. So DigiiBiz has got that product all bundled up for us. Now, that's all good, ready to go. Now, this is where we get into the page building side of things. So what I can do is I can build a sales page completely from scratch if I want to, by selecting a blank template, or I can select a template for an opt-in page, for example. So if we wanted to have a squeeze page where we get an opt-in and then deliver it, we can do this as well. If we want to build a sales page out, we can also do that as well. So I'm just going to select this one. You can preview them by clicking the preview tab. Now it's quite a cool builder. You can see how it views on mobile, on tablet, and also on desktop as well. So various different sizes. So I'm on a laptop here. Now it's very simple to be able to create. On the left, you've got your text, you've got your images, you've got your videos, all the things you can add. Now if I click on an element such as this logo, okay, what I can do is if I double click on it, it says change image up here on the top left. From here, I can go take some of the stock images, I can use my webcam, I can upload my own image as well to be able to swap out my logo. This is quite good as well. The opt-in form, double click on that, edit HTML. What you do is you put your form code in there. So you don't have to integrate it with any autoresponder, you just take your form code out of your autoresponder and put it in. Okay, very simple. Editing the text, again, if I just click on that, I can go through, I can edit it, I can delete blocks as well. So let's just jump into this one. So you just click on it, I can go out, select it, I can write in demo text. Now it's all showing up black. I can choose my text color, I can put it in white, I can bold it up, I can center it, I can change out even the text background color, I can put it up against a solid background, all that sort of stuff. Click that button and we're done. So you can go through, edit them as you see fit, add various elements into your page. So if we go add image, upload it, put it in. Same with the video, you can upload it and go through. I'm sure you guys have used plenty of web page builders before, so I won't get too carried away with walking you through how to do this. But at the top you can see, you can add in pop-ups, counters, scripts, testimonials, all those sorts of things too. Once you've done all of this, we can just simply click publish, and we can publish the campaign. So it has saved it for us. It has got the WordPress pop-up. It has got the opt-in page built for us. So let's jump in. Let's go over campaign created successfully. Cool. Now, if I jump into campaigns, here I can preview it. I can copy the link to it. I can download the HTML to the bonus page that I just made, or the opt-in page. I can download the plugin as well, host it for delivery if I like to as well. I can go through, I can view the thank you page. It generates a thank you page for the plugin as well, and view stats. I can go back and edit it at any time. Now, let's jump in, go new campaign again. Let's check out the PDF format. So I'm just going to write in Sam PDF down here, campaign type, PDF format. Now, what I can do is I can do it from scratch, where I can write it up in a full-blown builder, or I can take the content from a website URL. So if you had like a basic report all written up, you could just copy and paste the content from the website, or if you have access to something that you want to turn into a PDF report, you can do that, or we can go from scratch and click next. Now this will open up the PDF builder. So here I am in the builder. As you can see, I can just write in demo text. I can go through, I can insert images as I want. I can either do it from a link that I may have, or I can upload an image myself off my computer. Okay, so I can put in an image. I've got some puppies here. There we go. And I'll just click OK. So we put the image in. I can go through, just start building it out as you typically would with any sort of like Word document or any sort of, editor that you would. However, this lets you do it, deliver it, and put it in with the pages as well. So once we've done all the PDF, we've put in all written up our report, I can save it or I can preview it at any stage, and then I click next step. And again, we go through the process. We either build out a sales page or an opt-in page to give away a free report. These are all fully hosted, and you can go from there to be able to go and deliver it like we just showed you before. So that gives you a bit of an overview of what DigiiBiz can do. Quite simple, quite easy in terms of being able to find plugins or even reports, and being able to build out the pages as well, especially if you're a beginner. For the more advanced users, I'd probably recommend being able to generate reports from websites and editing them yourself, and then combining them with a plugin, some training and plugin, and give a go at selling it as a vendor online. So that is DigiiBiz. Check it out in detail on the bonus page down below for more information. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you through this here today.